Welcome back to Confident English. Hey everyone, today we're tackling a really important topic: why some students struggle to get high scores in the IELTS speaking test. If you're prepping for this test, stick around because I've got some friendly tips and insights that could make a big difference. Alright, let's jump right in. One of the biggest reasons students don't score well is because they tend to give short, simple answers. I get it. When you're nervous, it's easy to stick to the basics. But the IELTS examiners are looking for more than just yes or no. They want to see your ability to elaborate and express your ideas. So instead of saying, "I like music," try saying, "I love music, especially pop music, because it's so relaxing and often inspires my own creativity." Wow, did you see how small changes add flavour and colour to your speaking? Another common mistake students make is lack of structure. When you're in part 2 and get the task card from the examiner, it's super tempting to just dive in. But having a clear structure in mind can really help. Use your 1 minute to write as many notes as possible. Remember, it's a test of English, not reality, so feel free to exaggerate and invent. Start with a brief introduction, give some details, and finish with a conclusion. This not only makes your response easier to follow, but also shows the examiner that you can organise your thoughts. Remember, in part 2 of the IELTS speaking exam, keep talking and talking and talking. Don't worry, the examiner will stop you when the time is finished. Now let's talk practice. A lot of students underestimate this part. Seriously, practice makes perfect. Find a study friend and do mock interviews, or even record yourself speaking on different topics. Listen back to see where you can improve. You'll be amazed at how much more confident you'll feel on test day. And here's a pro tip. Use a variety of vocabulary and grammar. The examiners want to see that you can use English flexibly. So, instead of saying, "I'm happy," you could say, "I'm absolutely thrilled." It's all about adding some pizzazz to your language. Finally, remember to relax and be yourself. The examiners are just people too. They want to hear your unique perspective and personality. So take a deep breath, smile, and treat the speaking test like a friendly chat. It'll help you feel more comfortable and natural. So there you have it. To conclude, avoid those short answers. Structure your responses. Practice, practice, and practice again. Use varied language and grammar, and don't forget to relax. Talk like you are chatting with a friend. Use body language and eye contact. Finally, of course, smile. It will actually make you feel more relaxed, and the examiner will see this. If you keep these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to scoring high in the IELTS speaking test. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe for more pro study tips from Confident English. Good luck with your test, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.